Vast, imposing masses of mystery drift silently through the fabric of space. They bend reality, distort time, and consume everything that ventures too close. For centuries, these objects existed only as equations, as unsettling predictions hidden within the mathematics of gravity. They were thought to be impossible, even absurd. And yet, today, they stand as some of the most fascinating and terrifying entities in the known universe. These objects are black holes. For most of human history, black holes were nothing more than theoretical curiosities. They represented unanswered questions, limits of knowledge, and regions where the laws of physics themselves seemed to collapse. But now, thanks to revolutionary instruments like the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity is beginning to peel back the veil and glimpse what lies near, and perhaps even beyond, these cosmic abysses. To understand how we reached this moment, we must journey back more than a century. In 1916, Albert Einstein published his general theory of relativity, forever changing how we understand gravity. According to Einstein, gravity was not merely a force pulling objects together, but a curvature of spacetime itself caused by mass and energy. Hidden within his equations was a startling implication. If enough mass were compressed into a small enough region, spacetime would curve so severely that nothing, not even light, could escape. At the time, Einstein himself doubted that such objects could exist in reality. Many scientists dismissed the idea entirely. After all, how could nature create something so extreme? Yet decades later, the universe would prove them wrong. In the late 1960s, astronomers studying a powerful X-ray source in the constellation Cygnus made a startling discovery. The object, later known as Cygnus X1, appeared to be a massive blue star locked in orbit around something invisible. This unseen companion was not emitting light, yet it exerted an enormous gravitational pull. Matter from the blue star was being torn away, forming a swirling disk and heating up to millions of degrees as it spiraled inward, releasing intense X-rays. There was only one explanation. The invisible object was a black hole. This discovery marked the first strong observational evidence that black holes were not just mathematical oddities, but real physical entities scattered throughout the cosmos. From that moment on, black hole research exploded. Astronomers soon realized that black holes come in different sizes, from stellar mass black holes formed by collapsing stars, to supermassive black holes millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun, lurking at the centers of galaxies. Today, scientists estimate that our Milky Way alone may contain millions to tens of millions of black holes. The exact number remains unknown, largely because black holes are notoriously difficult to detect. They emit no light of their own and reveal themselves only through their gravitational influence on nearby matter. But what exactly is a black hole? At its core, a black hole is a region of space where matter has collapsed to an extreme density. According to current physics, all of that mass is compressed into an infinitesimally small point known as a singularity. Surrounding this singularity is a boundary called the event horizon, the point of no return. Once anything crosses this boundary, escape becomes impossible. Not even light can break free. Contrary to popular belief, black holes are not cosmic vacuum cleaners roaming the universe, swallowing everything in sight. From a distance, their gravity behaves just like that of any other object with the same mass. If our Sun were replaced by a black hole of equal mass, Earth would continue orbiting almost unchanged. The danger arises only when something ventures extremely close. If a human were to fall toward a black hole, the experience would be unimaginably violent. As they approached, gravity would stretch them lengthwise and compress them sideways in a process known as spaghettification. Near the event horizon, tidal forces would become so intense that survival would be impossible. Time itself would behave strangely, slowing down relative to the outside universe. Beyond the event horizon, our understanding completely breaks down. This is where physics as we know it ceases to function. Inside a black hole, the equations of general relativity predict infinite density and infinite curvature of spacetime. These infinities signal that our theories are incomplete. Something deeper, something we do not yet understand, must be at work. For decades, black holes remained invisible to direct observation. That changed in 2019, when scientists released the first ever image of a black hole's shadow, captured by the Event Horizon Telescope. The target was the supermassive black hole at the center of the galaxy M87, located 55 million light-years away. The image revealed a glowing ring of superheated gas surrounding a dark central region, the silhouette of the event horizon itself. This was a historic moment. Soon after, further observations revealed that black holes possess complex structures. While they may appear simple from afar, they are surrounded by dynamic environments of swirling plasma, magnetic fields, and relativistic jets that shoot matter across intergalactic space at near light speeds. Yet despite these breakthroughs, the most important question remains unanswered. What lies inside a black hole? Because nothing can escape from within the event horizon, direct observation is impossible. No probe can be sent inside. No signal can be returned. Our knowledge must come from theory, indirect evidence, and imagination guided by mathematics. One hypothesis suggests that the singularity is not truly a point of infinite density, but rather a state where spacetime transitions into something entirely different. Some theories propose that black holes may contain wormholes, bridges connecting distant regions of space or even entirely separate universes. In this view, a black hole could act as a gateway rather than a dead end. Another idea suggests that black holes may encode information on their event horizons, supporting the concept of a holographic universe. According to this interpretation, everything that falls into a black hole is not lost, but instead stored as information on its surface, preserving the fundamental laws of quantum mechanics. There are even more radical proposals. Some physicists speculate that black holes could be flaws in reality itself, regions where spacetime breaks down like corrupted code. Others argue that what we perceive as black holes might not exist at all, but are instead exotic alternatives that mimic their behavior without forming true singularities. None of these ideas have been proven. What we do know is that black holes are not merely cosmic destroyers. They play a vital role in shaping galaxies, regulating star formation, and influencing the large-scale structure of the universe. Without them, the cosmos we see today might look very different. The James Webb Space Telescope has begun studying black holes in unprecedented detail, observing how they grow, how they interact with their surroundings, and how they behaved in the early universe. Each new dataset brings answers, but also deeper questions. Black holes remain the ultimate paradox. Objects defined by what we cannot see, understood through what they conceal. They are both the end of matter and the frontier of knowledge. And as we push deeper into the universe, they continue to challenge our understanding of space, time, and existence itself. Perhaps one day, humanity will uncover what truly lies beyond the event horizon. Until then, black holes stand as silent sentinels of the unknown, reminding us that the universe is far stranger, deeper, and more mysterious than we ever imagined.